Guys, I don't use stop loss, guys. Imagine being on the wrong side of this trade. So my strategy, I trade the moving average cross. As you can see, I bought here, it went up. I actually lose this trade. I closed this trade with a loss, not that I lose it, because the moving average cross. So I just decided to close my position, and then I enter a sell here after seeing this moving average cross, and no take profit, no stop loss, and look at what happened. That's why my lot size is also very small. As you guys can see, I'm trading on a very small lot. Look at how big this move is. But thank God, if this was opposite my favor, I think it would still not damage my account. As you guys can see, this, where's the lot size actually that I'm using? It's only 0.03, and this is in USD card. If this was gold or something, oh my goodness, I would be crying right now. With that being said, I'm just gonna close this trade because I'm not dumb. When the market goes down, I'm not expecting it to continue going down. I'm just gonna close all. Yeah, I guess that's it for the day. When the market comes back again up here, maybe I can sell again. With that being said, this is how my Robinhood is looking today. We are currently, I guess, in a negative. I thought it was going to be a green day, but it's not a green day. As you can see, it went up here about what, about 0.33%, but it's going back down. Maybe, who knows, maybe it's gonna go back up, I don't know. But this is just what I'm holding. Most of the things that I'm holding is just this right here, this ETF. I have 6 shares of it, and it's currently going down. My plan is only to sell everything else if they're in profit, and then just buy only this one. As you can see, right, you can see how my account looks like. It's basically mimicking this one because I have a lot of shares in this particular ETF, right, income ETF, and it's going to be paying me every single month. As you can see, I do have average price is going to be 57 JEPQ, and I currently have $345 in it. That's just the how can I say, my market value. And number of shares, I have like about 6 shares. My plan is to get about 10 shares of this and just keep on buying. My plan is to actually reach 1,000 shares of this. I think it will be about $50,000 if it's and then if I have $100,000 in this my portfolio and only of these shares, I'll be making about 1K passive income every single month. With that being said, let's see what it looks like. We have technology here. This is why it's good to diversify. This is why it's not good to time the market. As you guys can just saw what happened with Forex. I just showed you what happened with Forex. People that were in a buy here, they will be suffering. I was in the sell here, so I just closed my profit. Going back to the diversify, everything diversified, and let's see what we do. Just keep on putting money into this. Let's see in 1 year how much we put, and then we'll see the next year, and then we'll just keep putting money in it. Maybe in 10 years time, maybe this can be my retirement plan. Looking forward to it. As you guys can see, every day $18, and if I have extra, I will just put, like currently I just literally just buy this 3 hours ago. I just bought another $50, so that's what I do. Any extra money, I just pile it up into this. All right, guys, welcome back to this beautiful channel, or let me say this beautiful video. It is about 6 o'clock right now. As you can see, the sun is about to set, and I'm in my beautiful apartment complex. That's the sun right there, about to set. Look at my pool. Majority of the time this pool is closed, as you guys can see. You see that pool closed? I don't know why. We pay a lot of money every month. I'm definitely leaving a 1-star review on my apartment.
not because the environment is not good, but just because maybe I wanted to cancel my lease and they are telling me 30-day notice and I need to pay like a 1 month fee in advance, 1 month rent in advance. But today I want to talk about let me get away from that noise. Today I want to talk about day trading. Why day trading is a big scam or feels like a scam. I've been trading since 2020. When I started trading, I was taking a lot of wins. I'm gonna walk over there and come back. I was taking a lot of wins, and small wins here is good when you trade small, but if you don't have big capital, it feels like it's going nowhere. And sometimes you will take losses. And somebody also commented on my channel about profitability. Just admit that you are not profitable. But then I've realized that even in the market, like you can see, you cannot control the market. So there's down, there's losing streak, there's winning streak. You don't know when you are going to have this winning streak. You don't know when you are going to have this losing streak. It's literally random. That's what day trading is about. Whether your strategy is as perfect as God, which I've stopped being a Christian, because if God is perfect, there's a lot of imperfections that we see in the world, right? Like children that are born blind, blah blah blah. But that's another story for another day. So I'm planning to take all my capital, just $100 left from my account, and I'm going to just put that into my Robinhood account, right? Into an ETF that is going to pay me every month, because I believe that at least if the market is going up or down, I'm still going to get my dividends, and I am totally fine with getting my dividends, because why not? Every month if I get small dividends, and what if I grow that account, or I keep put money into that account up to 50,000, then I guess the dividends will be a lot more, it will make more sense. I want to live off dividends, although it's small, but that's gonna be something. If I can get $500 a month with dividends, that's my goal. Also, I've also come to accept that not everybody, like they say, not everybody can be good at day trading, because one, I said, is very random. You don't know when you're going to win or lose. Like I just took a current trade before the trade that I just closed. I was making a lot of money with the moving average cross, and then the moving average just crossed again down. I did not secure profit, right? I did not move my profits to break even. Maybe that was a mistake, I don't know, but you never know, because it could have also reversed back, once I'm in drawdown again. So that's why I said it's random. Two, I think it's stressful to come into the market every day to look at the chart. I don't want to do that. So that's why I'm going more with the ETF route. Just put my money inside an ETF anytime, dollar cost average, put a specific amount, just allow it to keep compounding. The compound interest can do the work. I don't care if I'm in a down, I don't care if the market is a red day, I don't care, because I know that as long as there's no stop loss, I'm fine. Which leads me to my third point, that's stop loss. When I have a stop loss, I don't like losing money, because I don't want to see me getting stopped out 2 times, 3 times. That hurt my feelings. That's why when I trade, I usually go for 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio. I just easily get my 1-to-1 risk to reward. When I get my 1% or whatever amount I'm risking, 1-to-1, I'm good. So I like to win more. Which brings me to the fourth point. The third point was 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio. I like that. And the fourth point is you never know, because sometimes you put 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio, the market is just going to skyrocket to your direction, and then you start being, oh, I'm to blame. Where was I supposed to, just put at break even and allow it to run, blah blah blah. I don't like that, no, because sometimes you close the trade at 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio, all of a sudden the trade is going like 1 to 5 risk reward ratio, and you feel like you are missing out. So all of these random probabilities that it comes with trading, I feel like it's a headache, and I've been doing it for so long now, and you can never guess it right. You can never guess it right, and it's very hard to tell someone to stick to the plan, stick to the rules, blah blah blah. We are humans, we do have emotions. So that's why I like the route of just putting my money dollar cost average. I don't even know when it's going to come out of my bank account, but I know every day I'm putting a specific amount, and I don't even need to touch the market. All I need to do is know that I'm participating in the market. So that's all I have for you guys. That's the 4 reasons why day trading sucks, or maybe I don't like day trading and I'm leaving day trading. And I want you guys to comment down below what you guys think, if you guys face also these challenges. I'm gonna add one more: prop firms and the amount of, I can say, like, should I say scammers, or let me say the now you have to put money through Bitcoin, you have to do this and that, the unregulated brokers. Forex has a lot of trading, day trading especially. Maybe let me say Forex especially, because I do Forex. Maybe futures could be better, but a lot of manipulation, a lot of people selling courses, a lot of prop firms giving you, oh, you can buy this prop firm now for $5, you can buy a prop firm account 5K for $5 without knowing the rules. There's all type of consistency rules, which means that what, yes, trading is good, but it's very difficult to withdraw money because of the rules that people have put in place just for you not to succeed. It feels like the American system. As you can see, they say, oh, you can have a good job, you can have a good life, but then the cost of living is so high up and expensive that it's not even worth it anymore to even have an apartment, and you are a single person paying all of these bills by yourself. You have to pay for car insurance. God forbid your car breaks down, or now you have like tickets again, bills just keeps piling up. I think it's not worth it, and I think a system that can be measured can get counted, right? This has also led me to currently what I'm doing. I've been able to count my calories, I've been able to lose weight, I've been able to intermittent fast. So I'm fasting like 16 hours a day, or at least maybe more times than not try to fast that 16 hours, and I've been seeing results. So that means what gets measured gets done. That's the word that I wanted to say. So I feel like with day trading, you can never know, although you back test, blah blah blah. There's a saying that past result does not guarantee future, past experience or whatever does not guarantee future results, right? So that's what I think. But what gets measured gets done. It means if I decide to put $5 in an ETF, I already know in a year I'll put about this amount, because it's calculated, and I can at least calculate something, estimate. Even though the market is down, I can estimate the amount that I've been putting inside, than to put $100 and trying to flip that, or to put $1,000 and trying to grow that. That just comes with a lot of emotion. All right, people, I guess that's the end of my video. My camera died, or my phone died, and that was the end of it. Like, what gets measured gets done. And thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned for the next video. Lately I've realized I've been editing on my phone, I've been uploading, but the videos are not uploading. It's taking forever. So I will try to go to the library and start uploading my videos there, so I make sure I can stay a little bit more consistent. And thank you guys so much for watching. Like I said, love you guys. Keep living the life that you want. Go with your gut instinct. You know what you want in life, nobody else know, and you are in control of your destiny. With that being said, peace out.